Hello everyone, welcome back to another challenge video. Today we're attempting to complete Wait, so I can't use monkeys anymore? By the Ben Boy. So, no monkeys? 10 grand, okay. Around 40. Balloon speed, Moab. No abilities. Health is a bit high. And only 3 monkeys. Excuse me. So, could be top half village, bottom path, or top half tack, maybe spike crack. Okay. Oh, it's only 5k? Oh, half cash. Okay, that makes it a bit tougher. So then, we might be able to still do overdrives. Okay, that's actually pretty close. What about if I don't do any overdrives and just tier 3s? Also got a Moab Mauler. And maybe this is it. Okay, how about I just do this? Maybe the spike balls will do something. A bit of extra damage from attack. And we do have $0, which might be, yep, there you go. Just need to get a spike in attack. Anyway, good challenge. And, well, hope you have a good rest of your day. Thank you, Ben, for making it, and hope you all have, well, a good rest of your day. Bye.